Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI BlackShark 4 to XIAOMI device. First of all, access Play Store on both XIAOMI devices. Then tap on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. After that, you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, click on Confirm, choose Continue and then Allow. Now go with Send on XIAOMI BlackShark and Receive on XIAOMI device. Now you need to click on all of those dots, choose Send and send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only choose this one photo, click Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here, choose Allow and just point your camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, then choose, in my case, Images, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!